Hey everybody, it's Max Farrell from DexIndicators.net and the Dex family. This is the Dex Trend Reverse system, the indicator intro. Let's have a look. All right. Basically, what is a trend? A trend is simply a tendency for prices to move in a particular direction over a period of time. Trends can be long-term, short-term, upward, downward, and even sideways. Okay. In my opinion, any time frame that has a movement of consistent lows and consistent highs in a pattern, higher highs, higher lows equals an uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows equals a downtrend. Our Dex Trend Reverse system, this indicator can not just spot a trend in its direction, but also the key factors of a reverse on that trend. Its specialty is spotting the short-term trends and applying the algorithm to the data in order to spot the movement in the opposite direction. This indicator was designed and programmed as one of the part of a strategy system for a 5-minute binary full circle system. It has merit to stand on its own, but it's more powerful when you apply it to the strategy in the system and support and resistance. Let's go over and have a look. Here we go. Most of you should be familiar with this. It's your MetaTrader 4 system. We've charted a window over here on the Euro USD. We have it on the 15-minute time frame. The trend reverse is very easy to apply, and it doesn't have very many variables to be changing. You have your license key, of course, and a high-low period. Keep these right out of the box. They work so good where they're at. You don't really need to do anything. Again, this is just a support indicator to the strategy of the 5-minute binary, as well as the trend reverse and algorithm process that we use with our support and resistance system. This is what it looks like in action. It's actually on a chart right now, the Euro USD on a 1 hour. If I put it on a 15-minute and we stand back just a little bit to kind of look, you can see the arrows and the functions of the process. You can, inside the system, will show you also how to enlarge the arrows and, make them different colors. If you don't like them red and blue, you can change them. There's some sculpting features and variables in there that you can change to make it to your liking. Very easy. When you do apply this to another part of the strategy in the system, it then begins to unfold the real power of the process itself. As you can see here, I've applied our Dex support and resistance indicator, giving us our support and resistance lines. And you can quickly see on particular arrows on which ones there's certain time frames that we have allotted out in our strategy that gives us this opportunity to, when the arrow comes out, to use a support or resistance area as a marker for your strike on our friends over at Nadex. So very powerful. You can kind of see the relationship starting to build. When an arrow shows up, you use the bottom one for a buy. When an arrow shows up for a sell, you use the top one for a sell. Very powerful in the process. So I hope this will get you to have a closer look to what we're doing. In the future videos, we'll show you the variables and how to use it within the system. But again, very, very simple to apply to any chart. You can also apply it to stochastics and to EMAs. The system is pretty powerful to use and really does back up a good support system for any other indicator. I'm Max Farrell. This is DexIndicators.net. I want to thank you for your time and hope to see you inside and trade well.